let's know about the stages of food production. See, there was a boy who was asking his father how we produce the food. So father replies that there are some stages in the production of food. So I'm going to show you. And then it took the boy to the farming land. Here the first stage is cultivating, and the next step is harvesting, and then the next step is crop management, and then the next step is preserving and fermenting, and finally crop production, right? And then so after crop is produced, we're gonna get different crops, right? Like rice, wheat, tomato, etc. So we can prepare tasty food out of these crops, and we can have our lunch, dinner, breakfast, everything. And we prepare food in normal days, right? Which is totally different from the food we prepare during our special occasions like festivals and any functions, where we're gonna prepare variety of foods. So come, let us go to a village fair then. Okay? Yeah. Wow. Look there. The people are moving together in the procession, and the beats of a drums are getting louder. And that the tiger mask dancer is there, right? And the Kelukudure are giving a great entertainment to the people gathered here. And here the people of village have prepared a food for all those who have presented in the cultural items in the fair. So here some precautions should be taken for the mass feeding. So let's see what are those precautions are. The first precaution is the materials and the vessels and the water used to prepare the food should be clean. And then the person who cooks or who serves the food should be clean, and their nails should be trimmed, and it should be covered with cloth. And the place of eating food should be free from dust, germs and insects. Then pure water should be provided for drinking. And the place where the food is cooked should be clean and should be free from insects and animals. There is a mass feeding, right? Yes. Here the people will be cooperated for this arrangement, and they have given a money, grains, firewoods, etc. All together they have arranged this mass feeding now. So precautions are also taken. So they together have prepared the food here. So together they have prepared the food, like different kinds of food like sweets and many different foods. So now come, let's have the food then. Where some volunteers are removing the leaves after the meal, you can observe, right? And cleaning up the place of eating. So let us also join with them. And then the people who participated in the fair are going home happily after having a meal, a great meal. So they have the satisfaction of sharing the work and eating together, right? Where the people of different regions, right, have came together and they're at the food. So this is a special occasion. And if you observe, the people of different regions have different food habits, right? For example, in northern region like Belgavi, Bidar, most of the food is prepared from jowar. Similarly, in the coastal districts like Mangalore and Udupi, cooking fish is a special there. And then in the districts like Mandya and Mysore, the ragi and rice are mainly used as a staple food. And this is about the lesson food habits.